So, you finally decided to start training. Good move. But now comes the big question. Calisthenics or gym? One has you doing pull-ups on a rusty park bar while a random dog judges your form. The other has you waiting 20 minutes for a bench because some guy is doing one set, then scrolling TikTok like it's his job. Both can build muscle. Both can make you stronger. But which one actually fits you? Let me clear it up. Calisthenics is the raw version of training. No machines, no dumbbells, no fancy setup. Just your body weight, gravity, and your ego getting humbled. You start with push-ups, pull-ups, dips, and squats. Later, you unlock the cool stuff like muscle-ups, front levers, and planche. It builds control, balance, core strength, and real athletic movement. But here's the problem. Calisthenics is not always beginner-friendly. There's no lightweight mode. If you're doing a pull-up, you're lifting your whole body from day one. That's why your first pull-up can take weeks, sometimes months. Now, the gym works differently. You get dumbbells, machines, cables, and barbells. You can start light, increase slowly, and track progress clearly. Can't do a pull-up? Use a lat pull-down. Can't press heavy? Start with light dumbbells. That's why, for pure muscle growth, the gym usually wins. You can target chest, shoulders, arms, back, and legs with way more precision, especially legs. Bodyweight squats are good, but heavy squats and leg presses are a different level. Now, for fat loss, don't get confused. Neither calisthenics nor the gym will save you if your diet is trash. Fat loss comes from eating properly, moving more, and staying consistent. So which one should you choose? Choose calisthenics if you want freedom, body control, and athletic strength. Choose the gym if you want easier progress, bigger muscles, and clear results. But the smartest option? Use both. Lift weights to build size. Use calisthenics to build control. That's how you become strong, athletic, and actually look like you train. Because the best workout is not the one that looks cool. It's the one you don't quit.